check your ultrasound. You're already a mother, that's not going to change.
A burst of activity in the middle of a tense morning. The nation's stalemated abortion debate.
God loves you. God loves your baby.
Between protesters with deeply held religious convictions and the volunteers who say they guard the rights of the women going inside, plays out on this street corner every Wednesday. Neither side speaks to the other outside North Dakota's only abortion clinic, but they're all watching the re-election race of the state's only pro-choice Democrat.
Heidi Heitkamp believes in abortion right up to the 9th month, so I could never vote for her.
How are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Heitkamp could cast the deciding vote to confirm Brett Kavanaugh, which legal analysts say could lead to a challenge of the 1973 Supreme Court decision to legalize abortion.
I can't imagine the pressure that she's under trying to get reelected in a rural, conservative, red state that overwhelmingly voted for Trump.
Under North Dakota law, a Supreme Court decision would instantly close this clinic, a possibility Tammy Kromenacher is working to avoid.
We don't want to say that women in North Dakota are going to have less rights than their sisters in neighboring states. And so we are doing everything in our power to highlight the issue, to let other voters know that they need to have their voices heard.
Take care, you guys.
Heitkamp says she must consider all the issues that will come before Kavanaugh, who could be the deciding vote on matters ranging from immigration to privacy rights, as well as abortion rights.
This is not a judge who's going to tell me how he's going to vote, nor should he on any particular case, but it is someone that we have to properly vet.
How are you? Nice to see you.
But her Republican opponent says the abortion issue is so important to North Dakota voters, it got him into the race.
The SCOTUS decision is what's put, of course, an even brighter national spotlight on North Dakota, but it's also what's allowed North Dakotans to look at their responsibility in the light of the country.
Here in Fargo, voters went for Democrat Hillary Clinton in 2016, but overall the state went for Donald Trump. And those voters want Heitkamp to know that the nomination of a pro-life Supreme Court justice is one of their top election issues.
Vote yes to support Brett Kavanaugh.
Volunteers rallying in front of Heitkamp's office urge her to vote for Kavanaugh, but that isn't the only vote they're trying to win.
We have canvassers going out all over North Dakota, knocking on doors right now, having them reach out to Senator Heitkamp and just telling them where she stands on life.
And North Dakota Republicans are betting those voters will sway Heitkamp's Supreme Court decision.
How are you doing?
Even if they likely won't vote for her in November.
As a Democrat in a very, very, very deeply red state, she recognizes the breadth of support for Christian values, for life.
A reality that, back at the clinic, even the volunteers recognize.
Heidi is the best we have. Heidi is the best that we've got right now and the best that we can hope for going forward.
A debate of national consequences that could come down to some very small numbers. Katherine Gypson, VOA News, Fargo, North Dakota.